students, in today's lecture we solve some questions related to reflection, spherical mirror. Questions in page number 168 in your textbook. First question is, define principal focus of a concave mirror. Principal focus, it is a point which is on the principal axis of mirror. It is a point which is on the principal axis of a mirror. At that point, at that point, reflected rays are actually meet. It is a point which is on principal axis. Like this is our concave mirror, this principal axis for T. Suppose the incident ray which is passes from or parallel to principal axis after reflection, it is actually meet after reflection, actually meet. Here I use actually meet word. Actually meet means after reflection rays meet at this point, and this point is known as called principal focus. F is called principal focus A. Now second question is, the radius of curvature of spherical mirror is 20 cm. Radius of curvature is denoted by capital R. It is a 20 cm. Here not given like convex mirror or concave mirror. So we do not identify focal length or radius of curvature. It is a positive or negative. So generally we take positive. What is its focal length? We have to find its focal length, small f. We know relation between R and f. So f is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2. So focal length is equal to 20 by 2. So answer we get f and 20 cm. So answer comes 2 and 10 to the. So f is equal to 10 cm. So 10 cm is a focal length where radius of curvature is 20 cm. Done. Now third question. Name a mirror. We have to give name of mirror that can give erect and enlarged image. We also know that generally two types of mirror. First is plane mirror, second is a spherical mirror. Plane mirror always gives same size, but here called enlarged. So in spherical mirror, two cases. First is for concave mirror and second is for convex mirror. You all know that in a convex mirror also gives point size for diminished image. Convex mirror always give point size or diminished image, but concave mirror which is gives in many cases real and inverted in a many cases, but there are one case in that case there are if we place our object between F and P. If we place our object at principal focus and pole, that time we can get enlarged image and direct image. Like this image we can get here, enlarged and direct. So name of mirror, and that mirror is concave mirror. Now next question, find focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeters. Radius of curvature, it means are 32 centimeters. We have to find focal length F for convex mirror, and we all know that convex mirror has always positive focal length. Convex mirror has positive. Why? This is our convex mirror and center of curvature. So here principal focus, the distance between P to F is called focal length, and from right hand side to the mirror always we take positive sign. So here F is equal to R by 2. So 32 by 2. Answer comes 16 centimeter. So focal length is equal to 16 centimeter. Done. Now next question. Concave mirror produce 3 times magnified enlarged real image. First we did use concave mirror. So concave mirror, it means this type of mirror 3 times magnified. So magnification is 3, and magnification has no any unit because it is a ratio. Ratio has no unit. Magnification is 3, but real image, real means what? We discussed in our previous lecture. If real image produced, that time we use negative magnification. So here I put negative sign for real image, and object placed at 10 centimeter. Object placed at 10 centimeter. So this 10 centimeter, and we all know that object always placed at left side. So from origin, like pole to this distance, left hand side. So if we goes left hand side to the origin, that time we also use negative sign. Object distance, object placed at 10 centimeter. So you will be minus 10 centimeter. Minus sign indicate for left hand side. Where is the image located? Image located means we have to find image distance. Now we have relation M is equal to minus V by U. Minus V by U. By using this equation, we put all these values. So what happened? M is equal to what? Minus 3 is equal to minus V. This value unknown. divide by u. U is a minus 10. So minus minus cancel out, minus minus cancel out, and this 10 this side. So minus 3 into 10 is equal to v minus minus cut. So v is equal to 10 3s are 30 minus 30, and unit is on this centimeter. So here value minus 30 centimeter. You all know this minus sign indicates this image will be this produced image position at front of mirror, in the front side of mirror. So this question in page number 168 and 171. So please note down these full solutions. Now example related to spherical mirrors. So first example 10.1 is convex mirror is used. I draw here convex mirror, pole B, center of curvature, principal focus, and this shadow line is a reflecting surface. Is used for rear view on automobile. Has radius of curvature 3 meter. Radius of curvature denoted by R, 3 or more precisely 3 meter. 3.00 is similar to 3 meter. If bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, here bus is located and this distance is 5 meter from origin or to pole, but this bus in left hand side. So we use here object distance u minus 5.0 or minus 5. Minus sign by using Cartesian coordination system we also discussed in previous lecture. Left hand side, so we put here minus sign, and this we find position and nature. Position of image. So image distance is unknown. Nature, we have to find nature. The magnification will be helpful for us. If magnification value will be negative, so we can get real image. And magnification value will be positive, negative, so we can get real and virtual image. So we also have to find magnification by using mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V, we have to find U. U is a known value, and F is a directly not given in example value. So we know R. So by using R, we can get F. By using this formula, F is equal to R by 2. So F is equal to 3 by 2 meter. And here 1 by F. So reciprocally 1 by F is equal to 2 by 3. All these value placed in this equation. So we have to find V. We can make subject V. So this value goes left hand side to right hand side. So 1 by F, this plus is will be minus 1 by V. What is 1 by F? 1 by F means 2 by 3 minus 1 by U. U is a minus 5. So minus 5, minus plus. So 1 by V, 2 by 3 minus plus 1 by 5. Now we take LCM. 5 here, 3 here. 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So 1 by V is equal to 13 by 15. But we have to find V. V is equal to 15 by 13. Now 15 by 13. 13 was 13. 2. Now point. So 20. 13 was 13. 7. Also we put point. So we can write here. 0. 13. 5 are 60. 5 and 5. 0. So on. So value becomes 1.15. So V is equal to 1.15. So what will be in meter? So 1.15 meter. Now we find nature. So we use magnification, and V is equal to minus V by U. This is the formula of magnification. M minus V means 1.15. So 1.15 divided by U. U is a minus 5. So minus 5. Minus cancel out. So 1.15 by 5. Now multiply and divide with 2 in both this side. So M is equal to 1.15 into 2 by 10. M is equal to 2.30 divided by 10. So what happened? If point is before 2, so if we remove, we place 2 zeros. 0 cancel out. 23 by 100. So magnification becomes to 0.23. It has no unit because it is a ratio. Now magnification value will be positive. So positive magnification. So nature of image is virtual and direct, and size of image. Size is magnification is less than 1. So size, image size will be smaller by factor 0.23. Factor is the ratio. So image size will be smaller in factor of 0.20. Now example number 10.2. An object 4 centimeter in size. So object size, which is denoted by H. The object size is 4.0 centimeter. Its scope also 4 centimeter. Placed at 25 centimeter in front of concave mirror. In front of concave mirror at this distance object placed 25 centimeter left side. So in left side we use object distance negative 25 centimeter. Then at what concave mirror focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15.0 or 15 centimeter, and focal length left side. So it also negative. Here focal point and this distance P to F is called focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should screen place? It means at what distance image form. So V is the image distance which is unknown, and find nature and size of image. So nature and size. Nature we have to find M, and size we have to also find H dash. And this all parameter is unknown. Now by using mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Put all this value in this equation 1 by v we have to find. This value goes left hand side to right hand side. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 15. So minus 15 minus formula u is minus 25. So 1 by v is equal to minus plus. So 1 by 25 plus, and this value I put later 1 by 15 minus plus value you can get easily. Now 1 by v is equal to 15 minus 25 by 25 into 15. So 25 into 15 0 5 2 5 2 12 5 7 3 7 5. 1 by v is equal to minus 10 by 3 7 5. So 1 by, now reciprocally, so v is equal to 375 by minus 10. Done. So v is equal to minus 37.5 because 1 point goes left hand side. So minus 37.5 centimeter because all values in a centimeter. Now we have to find size of image. We have formula magnification minus v by u, and it's also h dash by h. V subject h dash, so formula becomes minus v into h by u. This value goes right hand side to left hand side, so minus v into h by u. Put all this value minus formula. What is the value of v? V is minus 37.5 into h. H means object size. Object size is 4 centimeter divided by u. Object distance. Object distance is minus 25. Now multiply and divide with 4 minus plus. So 37.5 into 16. 25 fours are 100 and minus this side 100 minus plus you can put this. Now 30, and if we remove point here we can put 0. So 375 into 16 0 5 7 3 plus 6 5 are 30 3 7 6 are 42 and 3 45 4 6 3 are 18 4 22. Done. 0 0 1 0 1 6. So h is equal to minus 6000 divided by 1000. So h is equal to minus 6 0 spot and minus 6 centimeters. Here h becomes negative. Negative means height compared to y-axis, and here positive and this side negative. So negative size gives this inverted image.